Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I put up this picture on Instagram a while back. So basically, I'm filming a video where my Instagram followers control my day for 24 hours. And first things first in the morning is to have your breakfast. So today I'm working from home, and that's why I thought to film this video. For breakfast, to drink something, I put up this picture on Instagram again, either to drink hot chocolate or to have hot chocolate, and was to drink coffee. So majority of y'all have chosen hot chocolate. So let's get the breakfast ready and I'll catch you back. Kept some milk to be heated. And then here I have my coffee cup and hot chocolate. So this is something new which I've got recently, the Cadbury hot chocolate. My coffee jars are almost on the verge of getting over. So then I was like, let's try hot chocolate this time. So I got this. I also want to try the Impulse Coffee hot chocolate, which is their best seller. So next time I might get hands on those. But for now, let's have Cadbury hot chocolate. As I told y'all, I've heated some milk, and now let's just quickly put the powder in the coffee jar and some milk, and we're good to go. I have this matri puri, which is also called as jeera puri, a banana, and my hot chocolate is Yor. So I've kept it milky and not too much powdery because this is the way I like it. But yeah, y'all can choose like whatever you'll want, maybe a little more amount of powder or a little more amount of milk. I like it milky, so I've kept it that way. And I also love matri puris, and I was craving for it since a long time, so got it and having it right now. Now, since that I'm working from home today, I put up this picture on Instagram which says if I should dress up simply or if I should dress up for a work from home. Now, if you're going to office and all, obviously you have to get ready and go every day. But today, since I was working from home, I thought like wear simple clothes while I was working. But today I have to listen to my Instagram followers, and majority of you all have picked up dress up for a work from home. So I have to listen to y'all and let's get ready. To choose between formal wear and Indian wear, this is a kurti, which is like a peacock green Indian kurti, and this is a shirt with trousers. I mostly prefer to wear Indian wear because it is just so comfortable. But then today I thought, why not go up with formal wear since I am at home only, so I can take that effort to dress up. So let's go for this cheetah print shirt and trousers, and let's wear this formal wear. So ready for work and wearing this shirt. Also put some brown kajal on and lip balm. That is basically it. Now let's get to work.
Much later.
It's about 5 p.m. right now, and let's take a quick snacks break, a snacks time. So for snacks, I put up this picture where my Instagram followers had to choose between nachos and sandwiches, and everyone, not even almost everyone, chose sandwiches. So my mom quickly made a sandwich for me, and I'll show you all. Here's a homemade sandwich that my mom made for me, and let's quickly take a bite and then get back to work again.
Much later.
Now the next thing was to meet a friend or to clean my wardrobe. It's a weekend now because working hours are officially over, so it's a weekend and I was thinking if I should meet a friend, to be honest, because I haven't met so many of my friends since a very long time and everyone just so busy in their own lives. But then since majority of y'all have chosen to meet a friend, so I will go and meet a friend of mine right now. Not right now, in a while. I was anyways going to meet a friend this weekend, so then I thought why not meet today. So I'm all ready. I'll show you all my outfit quickly and I'll quickly go. Also, it's raining quite crazily in Mumbai. This week has been just so bad when it comes to rains, but you can't help it. We were going to meet at some other place, but now since it's raining, we're going to some other place. So yeah. So this is what I'm wearing, jeans and a basic top, and carrying a tote bag for the first time because it's raining. So again, umbrella scenes happening, so I was like, I can keep my umbrella in my bag, so I'm carrying a tote bag for the first time. I just hope I don't, will give it somewhere because I'm not habituated to this. But yeah, let's go. So, as you all selected meet a friend, here I am with my friend Swati.
Hi guys.
And we're meeting again after like around 3 to 4 months.
Yeah, a
Being
long
quiet and it's been like कब से मिलना था and finally we are meeting and catching on with all the gup. It's raining, so we decided to go to a different location, but we'll grab something to eat.
A few moments later.
To talk about the nails, I put up a picture which said either do simple nails or get a nail art done. Now, if y'all don't know, I have also done a course in nail art many years ago when I was in school, because I actually love doing my nails. I love nail art. I keep experimenting on my nails very often. But today, since my Instagram followers decided I should go for simple nails, I'll do that. I got these 4 nail pens from Oriflame and I'll do one of these right now. So I'm thinking to go for this light pink peach color. I'll quickly get that done on my nails and I'll show you all. But before that, I have these yellow nails done. They've already chipped off. I did it last week. So now let's get the peach one done. Nails are painted pink and it looks good. Went for a light shade after a really long time. Though I'd done yellow before, I had like a dark pink, purple, grey before that. So it's good for a change.
A few moments later.
Now, before we call it a night, the last thing to do is either to watch a movie or read a book. Now, to be honest, I haven't done both in the longest time. I haven't even watched a movie like recently or not even read a book. Though I have got books, to read, but I haven't done it. But now my Instagram followers have chosen to watch a movie. So then I'm thinking to watch Singham Returns. So I'm playing that. So I'm watching Singham Returns. So I used to get clips of this movie on my phone recently, and I used to just watch those clips. But now actually watching the whole movie. I have watched this movie a couple of times, but yeah, watching it again. Oh, also this guy which was on the left, like beside Ajay Devgan. I've actually seen him. I met him a couple of times, 2-3 times when I was very small. So yeah, that's that. So let's finish this movie and we're done with the challenge. We're done with my Instagram followers control my day for 24 hours. So like 24 hours ka poll didn't go on my IG. But yeah, it's night time, so I will go and sleep after the movie ends.
Much later.
And with that, we come to the end of this video. I am ending the video right here. This was something different which I did and wanted to do since a long time. So like back in 2020s or something, I've seen a lot of YouTubers doing this, but now recently no one has done it and I wanted to do it. So here's the video. I hope you liked it. If you all did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. 1K subscribers coming soon. So please go ahead and subscribe, and ending it right here. So bye bye.